Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Dave, GVA, Ghetto Van Adventures. This is the channel. Hope you guys are having a great night. And another little gem. I think I'm staying here tonight. This is just outstanding. Like, today it rained a little bit. Look at that sky. It rained a little bit. And it cooled everything right down. Like, the plants and that need it, but it cooled everything right down. Now there's this nice, cool breeze. And it's going to be beautiful tonight for sleeping. Absolutely wonderful. So, I decided to stay here tonight. I knew where this was, and I said, I'm going. And I'm here. Can't beat this. Guys, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying safe and healthy, because I'll tell you, things are a little strange these days, aren't they? Anyway, guys, you take care. Please be safe on the road.